The police have arrested former Education Minister Ruel Reid and President of the Caribbean Maritime University, Professor Fritz Pinnock.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Former Education Minister Ruel Reid, his wife, another family member, along with President of the Caribbean Maritime University, Professor Fritz Pinnock, and a councillor in St. Ann, were taken into police custody this morning, Wednesday the 9th of October, in a pre-dawn raid by detectives from the major organized and anti-corruption agency, MOCA. It is understood that MOCA detectives also conducted raids at the St. Ann home of former Member of Parliament for St. Ann Northwestern and Caribbean Maritime University advisor Othniel Lawrence. In a news release titled Joint Operations in a Multi-Million-Dollar Fraud Investigation, MOCA noted that the Financial Investigations Division and the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency, along with the Constabulary Financial Unit of the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Division, CTOC, are currently conducting simultaneous operations at 4 locations in Kingston, St. Catherine, and St. Ann. According to the release, the operations, which commenced at 5 a.m., target the main suspects implicated in a multi-million-dollar corruption and fraudulent schemes perpetrated at the Ministry of Education, the Caribbean Maritime University, and other government entities falling under the portfolio responsibility of Mr. Ruel Reid, former Senator and Minister of Government. The news release further stated that all locations were properly manned by police personnel and operations were proceeding in an orderly manner. The former Education Minister and some agencies of the Ministry of Education, including the Caribbean Maritime University, have been under a corruption probe led by MOCA and the Financial Investigation Division (FID), with Reid being the main focus of the investigations. Reid had resigned on the 20th of March this year amid the corruption allegations, and on Tuesday, October 8th, Professor Pinnock was sent on special leave with immediate effect pending the outcome of the investigations. This after he had returned to work on Monday after extended leave of absence to facilitate the investigations. Law enforcement officers swooped down on Reid's St. Andrew home at 5 o'clock this morning, the same time they arrived at Pinnock's Helsha home in Portmore, St. Catherine, reportedly in unmarked vehicles. Both men asked that they be allowed to contact their lawyers as the investigators presented warrants to search their premises. In July, Director of Public Prosecutions Paula Llewellyn found that criminal laws may have been breached by key players in the Ruel Reid Caribbean Maritime University corruption scandal. In addition to the breaches of the 4 criminal laws, the Director of Public Prosecution said there were possibly 2 common law offenses and possible administrative breaches. She also recommended further investigations, but said the decision whether to arrest and charge any of the accused and place them before the court rested with the police and other investigative bodies. The FID head, Robin Sykes, had called the DPP's opinion solid, saying it would guide further investigations.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.